Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at replacing my prescription glasses and how much does it cost. Also, I really wanted to show you how JM shocked me with a super delicious meal, a cream chicken I never had before. Stay with us and enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Just here at optometrist shop to get new glasses because mine's broken. Somebody broke.
Oh, always blaming me.
No, I'm joking. So anyway, just cheap one, just to do my live stream and when I'm on my laptop, that's what I need. Otherwise I use this one. Everywhere, it's cheap one, cheap pair. Even the glass was damaged. It's not glass actually, it's a hard plastic, very cheap. Waiting for the glass to be done. Adjusted. The frame is 2.5. The frame is 2.5 pesos. I don't know if there is fully mounted. What's gonna be? Yeah, so you got the glasses. Yeah, just you look so good today. Dishes here made by JM. So how do you call this? Chicken?
Pininyahang manok. Chicken with pineapple mixed with potatoes. Yeah.
Wow, smells very nice. Oh, we can't do diet here, buddies. No, we can't. Yum. Okay, other than the chicken, we also have a popular Spanish salad that I made and a cup of toast. How you feel? Sweating? Yeah. Okay, she's happy. So let's see. Let's try this beautiful chicken and Spanish salad. I need to pour a little bit of a Spanish white wine. Chill.
Wait, because I'm so.
I'm gonna have a bit of a white one with that. Yeah, I'm not sure. No, red or white? What do you reckon, guys? Yeah, I think white with this. Oh my God, it's filming here. Why?
Yeah.
No, here's okay. I cut it. You have to do that?
No, I'm just teasing you, Daddy Joe.
You teasing me?
In.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm losing my English. It's terrible.
It's okay. Others are worse.
Okay, and then with this beautiful chicken, I just have a bit of a Spanish wine. This one here. I think it's 205 pesos. I'd save more. Very cheap and very nice. Okay. It's good I can slide with my chair. That's it? You want me to serve? Oh, okay.
Serving.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Your first.
Yeah, I'm happy with my new
Let me
glasses.
borrow.
Not much different to the old one. So you put how we call coconut milk?
Evaporada milk.
No, but you didn't put coconut milk.
It's not coconut
No, just
milk.
evaporated.
Yeah.
What is it? Condensed milk, really?
Evaporada.
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated. Yeah. Pineapple.
That smells nice. I'm so
Wanna
lucky.
try?
Thank you. Let's have a look at the potato.
This is just exclusive for 2 people. 2 legs.
Yeah, this meal is really for 2 people. Well, you can cook this in a very big saucepan and
Yeah. We can enjoy
for
the
4 people
vegetables,
and have 4 of those. Yeah,
of course.
maybe we can do that next time. Okay. Now let's try the chicken. Whoa,
I cannot see the pineapple. Same color.
the chicken is very nicely cooked.
Yeah, I really cooked that nicely. Tender. Make it tender, more tender. Easy to bite. Where to put this? Wait.
You can see the chicken very nicely cooked. Beautiful. And those potatoes, yummy. I love potatoes. That was my idea. Yeah. I love it.
Need to cook that and
You like potato too?
yeah.
Yeah? I love this one. With olive oil.
I think I did a great job today. This is my first time
Okay.
actually with this pininyahang manok.
Your first time, eh?
With this dish.
Okay, well there's always a first time.
And I put the
What do you put in there?
green
There's a pimiento,
red
those small Filipino capsicum.
bell pepper and then the leaves, and then I use your Italian herbs.
You use my Italian herbs?
Yeah.
Oh, without permission? That's okay. It's great. Well done.
And I pinch a bit of white wine for the chicken.
Ah, this is why I smell something nice there. Absolutely. Look. So I have to have white wine with my chicken, of course. This is beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's eat it. Yep.
Really? You
Yeah.
see the sauce sink
Yeah, need sauce.
inside the
Yeah.
meat.
I would say macerated. Huh?
I cannot see the pineapple, the same color.
This is nice. I'm enjoying. Woohoo! Wow.
If you have the list of recipe with the ingredients, you can just look and then you just follow and then you can make it. It's easy.
Yeah, easy to make.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Nice. Woo, I'm starving.
I cut small pieces of potato and
Yeah.
I cut big
I got just one
hips.
pineapple bits and beautiful.
But it's the same.
Goes together
Soft.
very well. Wow.
You like it? Or you
I
love it?
love it.
You love it.
I was about to say I don't like it. I love it. Yeah, we don't eat bread actually with this, with the potato.
Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next video. Until then, God bless you all. Take care.
God bless. Bye. Keep
Bye.
safe, everyone.
Bye.